Good morning, Teal Travelers, and welcome back to the Teal Travel YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, right now we are at the floating bungalows in Khao Sok National Park. In our last video, I gave you a little bit of a peek at the actual resort that we're staying at and our floating bungalows themselves, which are super cute. But today we're going to be doing a little bit more exploring on the lake and also checking out a cave, if I understood correctly. So we just finished breakfast and the rain has subsided. It is a beautiful freaking morning. I'm in paradise. So yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Derek's just brushing his teeth. So I'll probably do the same and then we'll get going. So here I thought we were going to be on a traditional bamboo raft today, but check these babies out. Fully motorized. Okay, so we are back at our floating bungalow now. Oh, if you couldn't tell. Yeah, it was hot. Basically what we did was we ate and then we got a tour of the lake by boat. Just sort of like floated around, toured around, saw all the sights and like checked out some of the other floating bungalows, raft houses as well, which was really nice, and stopped for some pictures and that kind of thing. And then we did a hike that was about 1.5 kilometers in and 1.5 kilometers out to like a little secluded lake area that had a cave hike as well. So we did a little bit of bamboo, I want to say bamboo rafting, but really was bamboo boating, because the bamboo rafts had like motors on the back, which I have never seen before, and like was really digging the lack of effort needed to get us to where we were going. And then we did the cave hike. That was a lot of fun. It was a little, so the guides from the hotel, they all speak English as well as Thai, but when you get to the cave hike, there's like a bunch of people there, like different guides from the national park, I believe, and they do the tour that's like in the cave, and he didn't speak any English. So like at one point, he like pointed to the rocks and said water. At another point, he like pointed to the rocks and said something about a baby elephant, but like that was the extent of his English, and none of it really made that much sense to us. So hot tip, maybe like do a little read up before you go do that cave hike again. But yeah, I'm now delirious from heat and a day of just like full-on adventure, so I'm gonna jump in the water because that's what I need to do. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go here for now. If you are thinking about doing a trip to Khao Sok National Park, absolutely do it. I highly, highly recommend it. Feel free to reach out and ask any questions that you might have. If you're interested in seeing a little bit more of where we're staying, I will link that video in the description or like up above so that you can go back and check it out. And yeah, that's it for me for today. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Definitely do it because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. Hit that like button if you love a little bit of peace and quiet out on the lake. And until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.